So my name is Giorgio Manenti and I'm Astronaut 30. You know, I come from the most further away world. My crew, my fellow crew members are pilots, engineers, actually aspiring astronauts, and I'm just an Italian guy who worked incredibly hard to try and achieve this dream. And so somebody this morning said to me, up there you'll feel small but not insignificant, and it really stayed with me because it's true. I mean, when you see the Earth, man, you feel small, but then you're like, okay, you know, this means something, and we need to look after this planet. She's looking after me. Let's give her a little blessing. For me personally, to know that Tuva was on there and NASA was doing some research was even more purposeful. And so when I'm up there and we're going Mach 3 and I'm glued to my seat, and my thoughts go to not only the people around me, but these two incredible pilots, which are, you know, it's not a push of a button. These guys are out there fighting this machine, and we're going so fast, and it's so incredible. I remember Stick telling me, you know, as a fellow Italian, look outside, you're gonna feel like you're falling into a swimming pool. You know, Stick got a bit upset with me at the end because I shouted at the top of my lungs. And so he said, nobody's ever shouted during boost. I said, well, you know, here you go. We wanted to grab hands. It was my idea. I said, guys, we're unity. It's the name of the ship, something so special. I want to say to my beautiful mom that I love her to bits, and I did it for her, and I was close to Dad up there, and you know, without him, this would not have been possible. Ciao, Papa. She's a big part of it up there, and I have a little bracelet ready for her that's been to space as soon as I come back. I really would like to say thank you to Galactic, and it's easy to be nice, but it's hard to be nice and care, and I felt that there was a genuine interest in what we're doing here, what you guys are doing here, in me as a person, and the culture, the energy, and the love was very real and very felt, and it made this week special, and these are treasured memories for the rest of my life.